For this assignment, you've been asked to select a randomized control trial, a cohort study, a quasi-experimental study, or a descriptive study. But what are these and how can you identify them when searching? Cohort studies are studies in which subsets of a defined population are identified. These groups may or may not be exposed to factors hypothesized to influence the probability of the occurrence of a particular disease or other outcome. Cohorts are defined by populations which, as a whole, are followed in an attempt to determine distinguishing subgroup characteristics. Randomized control trials represent work that reports on a clinical trial that involves at least one test treatment and one control treatment, concurrent enrollment and follow-up of the test and control treated groups, and in which the treatments to be administered are selected by a random process, such as the use of a random numbers table. Non-randomized control trials, aka quasi-experimental studies, are studies where participants are assigned to a treatment, procedure, or intervention by methods that are not random. Non-randomized clinical trials are sometimes referred to as quasi-experimental clinical trials or non-equivalent control group designs. Descriptive studies can be observational or cross-sectional. An observational study is a work that reports on the results of a clinical study in which the participants may receive diagnostic, therapeutic, or other types of interventions, but the investigator does not assign participants to specific interventions, as in an interventional study. Cross-sectional studies are studies in which the presence or absence of disease or other health-related variables are determined in each member of the study population or in a representative sample at one particular time. This contrasts with longitudinal studies, which are followed over a period of time. If you want to know what type of study you've found, start by checking out the abstract of your article or by heading to the Research Design section of the article. If you are searching for a particular type of study, enter your keywords for your topic and then, in the final field, input terms relevant to the type of study for which you are searching. Then set the field to search only the abstracts of the articles contained in the database.